Hi, I'm Keelyn, and you're watching Keelyn's Kitchen, Episode 5.
It's Keelyn's Kitchen. Sure is. Oh, yeah. My kitchen. Keelyn's Kitchen. Keelyn's Kitchen is Keelyn. Keelyn's Kitchen. Keelyn's Kitchen. It's Keelyn's Kitchen.
On today's episode, we're going to be making my very own salmon shrimp melody. For the ingredients, you're going to need 1 pound of salmon, 1 pound of medium-sized shrimp, white onion, lemon or lemon juice, cream cheese, potatoes, heavy whipping cream, Old Bay seasoning, minced garlic, black pepper, paprika, and onion powder. Let's get started, shall we? Episode 5. How long is that? So like always, before we get started, let's wash our hands. Okay, so I'm gonna give a little rundown before we start. We're gonna make our mashed potatoes. Now, the mashed potatoes, they will look similar to the mashed potatoes we did on episode 1. The salmon, we're actually gonna cut up into, not cubes, but little chunks, so it won't be like the full salmon being cut. And then the shrimp and the salmon will be cooked on 2 different pans. We're gonna add the spinach into... Okay, I'm gonna be so honest, I'm not stressed out, but I came back from a very time-consuming performance, and then I'm going into another time-consuming performance as well. So in the back of my mind, I'm trying to balance everything and make sure I stick to schedule, because normally, yes, this is my show and like I control a lot of everything. Well, I control everything actually. Season 1 is on a very strict schedule now, and then season 2 will be on a very strict schedule as well. So I'm just thinking about a lot and mapping out a lot. So that's why I had to change this, because I was just thinking about too much. It is okay to not be okay, or it's okay to not be at a full 100%. This is my original recipe and I made it for the first time. Also, I have to make it again one day. So today is that day. So where are we gonna start first? The fastest way to take the skin off of your salmon is to have your skillet already heated up with nothing in it, and then put your salmon on the bottom and to let it heat up for like around 30 seconds, and then it should peel off like this, because the cutting is too much. So now we're going to season everything. We're gonna season front to back. We're gonna cut her up, and then we're gonna place this to the side, because it doesn't take salmon long to cook, and salmon isn't something that you can cook or like put on the stove and like walk away from, because I have to be there to actually watch it. So I'm gonna cut and season this and let it marinate. And my shrimp, I'm actually going to season that in a bowl, then cook that. So we're gonna season with Old Bay seasoning first. Out of all of my seasonings, this is the one with the most salt. A little goes a long way, so I'm not gonna drown it. I just want to lightly cover the top. My garlic powder. Let's see, black pepper. Kind of press into it. And paprika. For all of your seasonings, it's just really a nice thin coat. I didn't put this seasoning in the video because I forgot about it, but it is the Cajun Style all-purpose seasoning. That's another reason why I didn't want to put a heavy layer of seasoning of Old Bay. Let's see what this tastes like. Yes, it is spicy, so that's what I like. But the thing is, my mom, she doesn't like spice, so I have to be easy with that one. Okay, so we're just gonna roll it over, gonna repeat. So a thin layer of Old Bay. Old Bay, it's not spicy, but it can get spicy. Then a light layer of paprika, garlic powder, wrong one. Garlic powder. Oh, black pepper. Well, black pepper, I just like the taste of it. So yeah, I'm gonna cut this. I want not cubes, but you will see the shape I am trying to go for. The thicker piece. All half pounds will be this size, so 5 slices horizontally, but now vertically as well. Okay, so now that fat is cut, I'm gonna actually throw this into a bowl and mix it around, which I should have cut first and then put into the bowl, but it works either way. Also, before I did this off camera, but I made sure I rinsed off the meat. I made sure I rinsed off the meat before I put it into the skillet to fry the to get the skin off. So right now, just mixing all the seasonings together, making sure everything is evenly balanced and evenly placed. I definitely should have bought another pound. I'm gonna need this for the shrimp, so I'm gonna place this into the fridge. Okay, so now for our shrimp. Oh, Keelyn, not the brightest move, baby. Not the brightest move. That's okay. Just a little water. I'm gonna rinse this off, fix the mess that could have been avoided, and then we'll be back. Okay, everything is okay. For the shrimp, I want a heavy black pepper taste to them. So you're gonna go into your garlic powder. The shrimp and potatoes in particular will have the heavy garlic seasoning. The salmon will have the lemon flavor, or the lemon taste, I should say. Just the Old Bay on the shrimp. And this one will be more of a season to taste. I'm going to prep the mashed potatoes, and then once the mashed potatoes are halfway done, then I'm gonna start frying and cooking everything else. You'll hear from me at the end of the video.
I know it's hard when you don't get the time to do the things you gotta do. Always moving forward, always on the go. I hope you take a moment to take it slow. Let me be the one to ease your pain. Let me be the one to ease your pain. Baby, take a break, it'll be okay. Let me be the one to ease your pain. Know sometimes that it doesn't make sense. It's even harder to comprehend. It's a long night. Say goodbye, then hello. We came here from nowhere, going towards the unknown. Let me be the one to ease your pain. Let me be the one to ease your pain.
are now at the end of the video, and I am so happy that this dish came out way better than the first time I've made it. I really enjoyed this video. I didn't, took time away to cook. That's what we're here for. Okay. That's good. I need more lemon juice. Hold on. This is good. I think out of everything that I've made on this channel, this on 9.3 out of 10. Definitely so. I'm gonna have my mom taste it, but this is good. This, oh yeah, oh my god. Okay, wow. I want to leave. I want to finish this. That is all for today's episode. Episode 5, the halfway mark of Keelyn's Kitchen. And like I said, always remember that it is okay to not be okay, but never settle in the not being okay. Always find your way to work out. And one of my little outlets is cooking. So I feel so much better, and also so happy that the food came out good. I just want to eat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time on Keelyn's Kitchen.
Keelyn's Kitchen is Keelyn's. Keelyn's Kitchen, Keelyn's Kitchen, it's Keelyn's Kitchen.